Hi, I'm Sue Vittner, and I'm going to show you how to make your handprints at home. This is what you've received in your kit, the ink itself and a little towelette. Then you'll also need some paper, 8.5 by 11 works great. You'll need a couple little mini piles, 2 of them, because what you're going to be doing is putting your handprints on each one. Before you start, take off any jewelry that you have on, and you'll need dish soap because that will help take some oil residue off of you. So wash your hands with dish soap first. After you wash your hands, then you're going to take the ink and separate it. There are 2 ink sheets. Okay, and put one aside, trying not to get anything dirty. And then take the other one and you're going to put it down and you're going to put your hand on it. So it's resting inside the boundaries. Okay, and press firm, and with your other hand, press down your individual fingers in the center of your palm. And then you can lift your hand up and it will be attached. And with your other hand, really get it in there, get in the palm so we can see the lines in the palm. Okay. And when you're done, you can peel that off and then place your hand right down onto that paper. Just perfect. Yep. Pressing it down and slowly lift up so you're not double printing. And then you're going to take each individual finger, starting with your thumb, rolling it just once and lift. Roll and lift. Okay, what we want to make sure that you get when you do the fingers is from this first joint up. So you're getting that whole pad of the finger. You're going to do the same thing with the other hand. So here you end up with 2 handprints. They look great. So some key things to remember. Be sure that you line up when you do your individual digits, each finger with this one. So this is the thumb, the first finger. So just so that it's lined up real well. So I know which fingers to read. Okay, when you're done making your prints, be sure to name and date them when you did your prints. They need to dry, so be sure to just leave them out to dry before you do anything with them. If you're going to mail them back to me, feel free to put like a paper in between them and then put them in a big envelope and mail them back. Or another option is to take a photo of them and email them, or put it in a scanner and scan them to me. Be sure to know that this is kind of a messy process. So you might want to wear clothes that you don't mind getting dirty, because if you put black ink on you, you probably can't get it off your clothing. The table should be covered if you don't want to get it dirty, and be near a sink. The towelettes will do a good job at the beginning of taking off the initial ink, and then you'll need to sort of scrub to get the dirt off. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I look forward to talking to you soon.